Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Welcome to Shed Tune. And as you might have guessed, we're back at home. I've even got the little man with me. He's hiding over there.
Oh, you think you're so funny.
Anyway, we're going to put this scooter back together because it's been sitting here far too long waiting for us to get on with it.
Like I said, you think you're funny. Asshole!
What? Oh, Dom always says he does all the work.
Well, I clearly do. Just stand there going, you've been taking so long to edit it.
I'm just getting different views of you working.
You're a twat. Well, maybe if you actually put that down and helped.
Oh, you fucker. While Dom's getting stuff ready, look what's in here. Shed Tune 69. Now, it hasn't been started for, well, forever really. But let's see if it will start. Right, so we'll take the old, crap on it. Put that onto there. Put that onto there. Falling over and breaking. That's the choke. There's fuel in it. Choke. Well, it starts, but we're not going to run it just yet. I think we're going to take this to Mersey Island this year, stick it on the dyno, and well, see how much noise we can make really. Well, if you're new to the channel, you won't know about this, but once upon a time, in a previous history, we had the wall of stickers and whatever they're called, and the cupboard of stickers, and people used to send stuff in. In fact, we've still got some left over which we'll do in another video to put on the wall. So now we're back in the workshop. If you want to send some stuff in, feel free. We'll put your stickers up, your banners up, whatever you want to do.
No, 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 no.
What's the plan then, Dom?
No. Basically.
Front end?
No. Yeah.
Get the front end in. I'll put the engine in, shall I?
No. Yeah, I'm fed up of Phil crying, so.
It's my scooter.
And then we go, I don't know where to put it, my garage isn't big enough. Only joking, Phil, I've only had it 3 years.
Yeah, so, and what? What?
Maybe you won't have it back for a little while.
Why, what
I didn't realise how much tread there is on his tyres.
Oh, you've
as
got
opposed to mine.
You've got a Kojak tyre, have you?
Loves you, baby.
I have.
Right, well in that case then.
God knows who's been riding it, 'cause yeah. Right, let's get on. No, no. No, no.
front end sort of in. We've still got to adjust things and set things up. The engine, as you can see, is back in the frame, so we've got sort of cables, carb, clutch, rear brake. Then put the tank in.
Extended ones, aren't they?
So we'll crack on with that. Filippo,
Russ?
guess where we are? We're in the workshop.
No.
Yeah, and if I can work out how to do this, I can show you what we're doing. Because I'm a fuckwit, I don't know what I'm doing.
Fucking retard.
How do you spin the fucking thing round? Oh, on here.
Press that thing on the
Oh yeah, on the
dickhead.
Look. See, now you've gone and frozen. Where have you gone in the garage? Jesus, our customers are knobheads. You're not very good at this malarkey, are you?
Well, no,
Says me.
Huh?
I said, you're not very good at this video malarkey, are you?
Oh, hello. Is that a little spotted Dom?
It is. It's the what?
Oh, yeah, that's Dom.
Not anymore. I've got cream for it.
He's got a one finger salute, hasn't he?
Well, he's got cream, so he's just told me.
Well, actually,
Oh, hello. What he does with cream and my scooter, I don't want to know. Thank you very much.
no, I don't want to catch anything, so it won't be going anywhere near
not
this shit.
touch anything. The only thing you're going to catch, Dom, is what you put there because it's been there.
Well, I'm not getting involved with this lovers tiff between you two. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you what we were doing. Look.
Just basically tease you because it's still another year to go.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, because your garage ain't big enough.
Your garage isn't big enough, Phil.
No. I've managed to get rid of some scooters now.
Oh, good. Well, that's handy. The sun is shining very nicely off the top of your head, I must say.
I know, because I am at work still, see?
Look, Dom.
Wow.
Oh, you're still at work?
Yeah.
Oh.
I am still at work, see?
Oh.
Yeah. He said he's at work. He's not working. He's just at work.
No, I am still... No, I'm not working at the moment because I'm talking to you two.
Well, anyway, what was I going to say? I was going to be rude to you, but I've forgotten what I was going to say now. Oh, I know what it is. You know we used to call you Fat Phil?
You can't anymore, can you?
No, because he's lost like 3 stone. He's now not as Fat Phil.
Well, we can still call him Ugly Phil.
It's a bit harsh.
Harsh but true.
Fucking hell, thanks, Dom. I love you too. Fuck you.
Well, exactly. Anyway,
Only in your dreams.
do us a favour, Dom. Press that red button, will you?
See ya.
That one. Bye. Well, Dom, you've done very well. Look, you've got the front end on, the engine in, the tank nearly in, the shock on. It's almost like you've been working and I've been watching.
Yeah, almost.
Well, this will be a short video, but do expect more from the workshop, and there's some big changes coming and some new projects that I think people will be surprised at
Yeah.
and interested in, hopefully.
Yeah, some people will because they're weird.
Yeah,
So
weird.
Some people will be interested in it. Whereas me, I couldn't really give a shit about it.
No, that's very true.
Oh, that's giving the game away that we're getting the Royal Alloy, isn't it? Shit.
We've got... Anyway, move on. Right. So now you've given the game away, or has he?
Or have I? Or is it a Shed Mardy?
Oh, a Shed Mardy.
Shed Mardy.
Autos. In our workshop. Oh.
Maybe not.
No. Anyway, right, so that's going to be it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, we've got the sticker wall. Get your stickers sent in. We're going to get back on that. We'll give you a shout out and all the rest of it. If you're going on any scooter rallies, then you probably won't see us because we're too busy doing this. But I will be, and Dom will be at Mersey probably by the dyno. We're going to...
Will be and Don will be at Mersey, probably.
Probably. Well, we're going to... Well, Both of our race scooters, the long one, top speed bike, and the sprint bike, are going to be at the dyno because we're doing some work for Scooter Nova magazine and Johnny and Mersey with the dyno shootout. So, bye from me.
And bye from me.